Welcome to the New Life Scientific Weekly Tech Shop walkthrough. We're here late on Friday afternoon. I don't know, they're probably falling asleep, but they're not really, but still. We leave in an hour, so it's kind of one of those lazy afternoons, and we're just gonna go bug them so, you know, they don't get too comfortable before the end of the work week. Bart.
Hold on.
I know you thought we might just escape a weekly tech shop review.
No.
Did the thought cross your mind?
When you didn't show up, yes.
Okay, yeah. Yeah.
And I heard you on your way over, yes. You're right, I'm down to losers.
The losers. That is one huge rotor. Get a load of this. This must be a high cap centrifuge. Yeah. Oh, sad panda, no buckets. Why? Where did the buckets go?
They're over here, actually.
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
good.
Yeah.
Never mind, we have buckets. Sweet, so we get a lot of high-speed centrifuges. This is a high-capacity centrifuge. Is it giving you problems though?
Yeah, it's intermittently not powering on, and then I've got a door error as well, so.
Intermittently not powering on sounds worse than a door error. Am I wrong?
Yes.
Yeah.
No, you're not wrong.
Right, I'm correct. Man, that can get confusing fast. Okay, so the not powering on sometimes is a big problem. Yeah, so you're tracking down wiring and circuitry and all sorts of stuff.
We did get into Sorvall RC5C+. And I've got parts ordered for both of those now.
Some classic Sorvalls. This is like the competitor of Beckman. I'm gonna go ahead and put this back in the centrifuge, Bart, unless you tell me no, or scream at me, or meow at me.
Since we have show and tell, this was a fan out of one of the RC5Cs. It actually broke right off where the mount is supposed to be. There's supposed to be a little set screw holder that would go on the shaft, and then you tighten that down and it would stay on.
Did you make a new one out of paper mache, or what did you do?
Found a replacement.
Cool. Probably cheap, hopefully, maybe.
Decently cheap.
Sometimes, like, sheet metal can be incredibly expensive when you put it in the right shape and sell it from a life sciences company.
Yes.
Yeah, it's amazing. So, centrifuges. You've knocked out, give us a tally. How many did you get working out of 7 or 8?
I've got 4 of those out. One of an old one, an Optimum Max. Got that out yesterday or the day before. Yesterday.
So that's 4.
I've got now 4 back here with parts ordered, plus the 2 Sorvalls.
There's 4 more in the back.
Yep.
Wow. So we've been, the king of centrifuges this week.
I've been doing battle with GE, trying to get the software.
One man versus the world.
I put them on a valiant struggle, but
Yeah.
I surrender that I cannot compete with their.
They've been around for a while. They've tangoed many times. Ooh, is this supposed to make that noise?
Yes, of course it is. It has not been fully serviced yet. I'm assuming somebody wants the camera.
So that's why he's looking at the camera. He's starting. It's kind of like when your doctor says, "How are your kidneys feeling?" Because we might have to salvage those.
Yeah, I got.
Doctors don't say that.
Yeah.
That was a great analogy, though, right? I mean,
Yeah.
come on.
Yeah, it was. Tried to play along. Anyway, and this one will be ready to go here soon.
Sometimes these gel docs can have pretty cool cameras in them. I
Yes,
mean,
this is an exotic camera.
ooh. So exotic, does it, hail from the deep regions of Africa, or what are we talking
Well,
about?
high resolution, very low sensitivity, or extremely high sensitivity.
Yeah, that's the right word.
Yeah.
Hi.
So yeah, this will pick up a firefly on the moon or something like that.
Yeah, something, yeah. Can it though? Because that would be pretty cool.
Yeah, so, considering that's all, it's got that big large heat sink just to cool it, because anyway.
Oh, so there's the camera. That's the heat sink.
Yeah.
Gotcha. This is like not that old of a gel dock though. I mean, this is like last generation from GE or current.
Yeah, this one was, there was a massive accident in here.
Some lab assistant.
That with the kidney thing, I think might be. But
They might have gone for his kidneys first, right? Yeah. What else you got, Steve?
Well, that's, since doing battle, we got a couple of EasyCytes getting ready to.
We like EasyCytes. These are like our bread and butter, our best friends, our long-standing buddies. In a few words, like 10 words, how good are these EasyCytes being for you? Are they cooperating?
They are.
Really?
The flow cells aren't. We've been getting a lot in with broken flow cells, which is rather upsetting. And every now and then, a technician will break one. Not very often.
No, that doesn't happen. Technicians don't make mistakes. They don't.
And but this one, this one's about ready to make customer happy.
Good.
Yeah, that one's probably already sold.
Good.
But that one over there would love to see you too.
We like EasyCytes. They're common ones for us, and they're cool. They're cool. All right, Rich. Still looking at these freezers, huh? Freeze dryers.
Yeah, you know they're on their way out though.
Are they?
I got both of them pretty much done.
So fresh tubing.
Yep. No, not this one. No, we're still waiting on the tubing.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's about it. But the refrigeration, got the recharge done, and I'm checking the second stage right now. It seems to be a little low.
So we just kicked on second stage.
Second stage just kicked on.
Did you guys catch that?
Yeah.
So you recharging? Because you got like some, refrigeration gizmos.
I'm actually just checking the pressures in it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Making sure it's good to go.
Yeah, because we might need to put a little bit of Freon in this one here, but just kind of checking it. Seems pretty good. But
And how is freeze dryer 2 over here?
it's being buttoned up. Yeah, that one's getting the panels put on here today, and hopefully be
That's
out of
2
here.
for 2.
Yeah,
That's 2 for 2.
yeah, they're both working great.
Yeah. Last time we were 0 for 2 on the older generation. So this could be yours.
And then I got the Zerbus in. We got this sold, and the customer wanted us to adapt a vacuum pump to it so that the machine will control it. So we wired that in today, and I think it's ready to go too. So
This thing is no small feat. I mean, this is
that's a serious piece.
yeah, we have a lot of these. This is quite the evaporator.
Yeah, it's an oldie, but it's a workhorse. Built strong.
These transformers?
No,
What are these?
No, they're just cooling
Oh,
coils.
yeah, these are cooling coils. You said something about a transformer in this system.
Yeah, it has on the other end. Down
Oh, okay.
down there.
Oh, yeah, that
it
makes
has a huge
sense.
transformer in it.
You got huge grates here and liquid lines.
Yeah, just a huge evaporator that can hold a bunch of microplates actually. But anyways, yeah, it's ready to go to its new home. The way it sounds like they're anticipating to get it in, so hope it works out good. It's a nice unit.
Yeah, pretty cool. Any tip on where Rob is?
Haven't seen it.
We're going to
back?
tissue processor land one more time.
He's in the back.
Okay. So we went here last week and we saw the army of tissue processors. But now we'll see if Rob has done anything cool back there. I do know that he moved quite a few out.
We are waiting on some thermal fuses for this one here.
Okay.
These little guys go bad, so
Why did they do that?
they burn up. They use a little resistance in them. This is actually one that doesn't have that little plastic case around here. It's just a little wire with a little resistor in there.
So an entire machine down because this little guy dropped the ball.
Yeah. So this one's waiting on those. We just got done putting a new power connector in this bad boy. She's all broken up on the side there, so
The little things that matter, right?
yeah, just making them nice and pretty for everybody.
Yeah, because if you're gonna drop a couple thousand on the tissue processor, you don't want no stinking broken socket, right? I mean,
Exactly. We were working through the 300s because we had more of them laying around.
yeah.
So
The TP1050s, I think, are simpler
yeah,
in some respect.
they They look pretty similar.
No touch screen because,
Right.
you know, if you slap a touch screen on something, it's way cooler.
It is. It is. These are all. Actually, I did replace this. Actually, just the
digitizer.
the digitizer in it. Yes.
Yeah.
Yep. So I got a new one of these. Because when you go to touch the touch screen, the bottom third about didn't touch where you touched
Oh, that's convenient.
after calibration. So we calibrated it twice. Still didn't want to touch where you wanted to touch it. So we got rid of it.
So you tear out the guts and put in another one.
Yeah, that's what we did.
Some things can't be saved; they must be replaced.
Yeah. But yeah, so that one. Get a little pieces here and there, you know.
Yeah.
But
Good work, Rob.
yeah, no problem.
Ripping out screens, shoving in screen, ripping out fuses, putting in fuses, ripping out sockets, putting in sockets. Cool. All right, well, we're gonna head out.
All
In
right.
fact, I think we're ending with you, Rob. So you want to say goodbye to everybody?
Well, I'll see you guys next week. Take care for now.
Man, that was so friendly. Look at this guy, Rob. All right, we'll see you all next week. Thanks for watching if you did. Bye-bye.